Will Arb Shooter work for you? It's a big question that I want to answer for a lot of our members, especially those that are joining from all over the world. So let's just get straight into it. Arb Shooter is available globally. Whichever country you're from, there should be an opportunity for you to have success with this. It's great because you can join from anywhere in the world. It's all done on the internet. It's fast, and you can do it all on your mobile phone. Do you qualify? If your answer is yes to these three key elements, then you're already off to a good start. You must be over 18, you must have access to internet and access to a smartphone or desktop laptop. To maximize your profitability with Arb Shooters, you need to have access and the ability to open up bookmaker accounts with the following brands: Bet365, Betfair, we're going to use the exchange part of their website, Paddy Power, Skybet, and Betfred. Now, if you can create accounts with all of these bookmakers, if they all operate in your country of residence, then you're going to really maximize your profitability. If, however, you can only have Bet365 and maybe Betfred, that's still okay. You'll still be able to make profits every single evening. So the first thing you need to do is check if you can join these bookmakers. So the best thing to do is just visit the bookmaker websites and hit them up on live chat support and just say, hey, I'm from Australia or I'm from South Africa. Can I join Bet365? Can I create an account with Betfair? And so on. The answer is yes to most of them. Great. Once you have created your accounts, we recommend a minimum deposit of £20 or $20 to get started with. That's the minimum recommended. You can start with a lot more or even a lot less because Arb Shooting works on a return on your investment. So let's say, for example, you only had £10 to deposit in Bet365 and an Arb alert comes in for 30% return, you're going to make about £3. If, however, you have £100, then you're going to make £30. This is very important. Is Betfair available in your country? Visit betfair.com and speak to them on live chat. Just Google Betfair live chat. Speak to an agent and specifically ask them, hi, I'm from this country. Can I use Betfair's exchange, this area of the site? Betfair operate in hundreds of countries, but we want to make sure you have accessibility to this. It's very important. If you don't have Betfair, then your chances of having a lot of success can be a bit tricky because the other alternative exchange markets for you would be Smarkets and BetDAC at the moment, at the time of this recording. And again, I would check with Smarkets and BetDAC if they operate in your country. If so far the answers are yes, brilliant. We get a lot of questions about Arb Shooting while people are abroad. So let's say, for example, you join Arb Shooters from Australia and you have access to Bet365 and so on, and you're now traveling to, say, Dubai or China, anywhere else in the world, and you might be thinking, well, can I place my Arb Shooter bets from these countries? Well, in most countries you can. However, some countries might have a law in place where they don't allow people in that country to place bets, which is fine. So what you'll have to do in that case is just sign up to a secure VPN, which stands for Virtual Private Network. You can just Google Virtual Private Network and find one, probably be a couple of dollars a month. And that way you can preset, when you're using the internet, the location of where you're operating from. So let's say, for example, you've signed up to Arb Shooters in the UK and now you're currently in Canada and you want to access the UK bookmaker sites. Well, then you can just use a VPN and set your IP address back to your location of where you are in the UK and continue operating and Arb Shooting from Canada. There is a procedure when you sign up to these bookmakers. They will need to validate your identity. This is absolutely normal. Every big trusted brand does this. It's for your own protection, actually. So what it's called is a Know Your Customer check, a KYC check. So what they'll do, as soon as you create your account with Betfair or Bet365 and you made your deposits, eventually they will ask you to confirm you are who you say you are. So they'll ask for just a screenshot of a passport or your driver's license or a utility bill. It might be a water bill or a phone bill, just so they are confident you are who you say you are. And you only need to do that once for each bookmaker. After that, you'll never need to do it again. So that's all. So if you have access to the internet and you can have access to most of the bookmakers mentioned in this video, then you can certainly make money online with Arb Shooters. For any more information, visit arbshooters.com. And thanks for watching. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll be creating more chapters, sharing more tips and tricks to increase your profitability and making money online. Thanks for watching.